What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking our truck to get aligned today. Finally, we finished it completely. Now it's time to go get it aligned. So it's actually pretty hard to find a shop that is willing to align a lower truck. Most shops I called around said they won't do lower trucks. Don't know why. Maybe because they had difficulty in the past doing that. But they said no. I found one here by my house. So far it drives pretty good, but I'm only going 20 miles an hour. I'm gonna drive really slow over there. Hopefully they take it with my 26-inch rims. I contemplated on whether or not to put the stocks back on while they aligned it and then put these back on. But honestly, I'd rather them just align it with the rims already, because these are the rims that are gonna be on it. Oof. A little sketchy right now. Good thing the place is not more... Good thing the place is not too far away. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Alright, I took it here to Alondra's Brake and Wheel. They're a little busy today. It's Saturday. I didn't make an appointment or anything, so I did call another one nearby called B&D Alignment. It's on Lakewood Boulevard in the city of Bellflower, and they said they could take it in right now. So it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's $100 there versus I think they said 50 here, but I'd rather pay an extra 50 bucks because I don't have time to wait any longer. I'd rather just get it done and get it finished. So I'm just gonna take it over to B&D Alignment. So we got a new sticker and logo to show you guys. So many of you guys noticed that in the beginning of my vlogs now I have a new intro. I decided to go with this logo instead of the other one. I feel like this looks a lot better than just some initials. So you can either put it here in the front or in the back where I have the other ones. So if you guys are interested in some of these, make sure to check out the website. I do have these on sale already. They measure about 5 by 5. If you guys want a different size or different color, just let me know. I'm sure I can get them made. But there we have it. Alright, so now the reason why you guys are watching this video, how much does one of these lowering kits cost? So I did go with one of the most expensive ones. I think if not, it is probably the most expensive one. It's IHC one. So that one was $1,160, $1,160. It includes the flip kit in the back, helper bags, and the front lower control arm. So because I only dropped it 3 inches, it only came with the lower control arms. If you guys want to drop it 4, 5, or 6 inches or lower in the front, they'll send you also the upper control arm. So you'll get not only the lower control arm, but the upper control arm too, to fix with your alignment issues and everything, which is pretty neat. Because most kits only come with like a strut, a spindle, and the flip kit, and like the McGaughys, whatever you want to, however you pronounce that. kit, it comes with the spindle and the lowering struts, and it's a lot cheaper. But man, after riding this truck now, it's all aligned and everything, this thing still drives like factory. Even though it's lowered, it still drives like factory. On my other truck, it has the McGaughy's, something like that. And that one, it's pretty crappy ride, honestly. You feel every bump, it's really stiff. This one, I know I got a comment on my video that if the helper bags help a little bit with the stiffness or the bounciness in the back, and I think they do. I mean, like I said, it rides factory, so whatever factory little bounce it had, it's still about the same. It's not too stiff and not too soft where it's bouncing everywhere, so it's, like I said, factory ride. I highly recommend it. Like I said, it's $11.60 just for the lowering kit and the helper bags. If you guys want the AIRLIFT compressor that I bought to just electronically be able to lift those bags, that's an additional $400. So but that kit includes more tubing, it includes the controller, it includes the compressor, everything you need to go ahead and electronically lift and lower the truck. So that's pretty neat. So in total it's $11.60 plus $400, about $15.60 for the total kit. None of that includes installation. Obviously, if you're gonna take it to a shop, just be aware that it's probably gonna be another $300 to $500 on top of that. If you're gonna install it yourself, then that's all you're gonna be paying, just $11.60 plus the $400, so about $1,500 for the total setup. Which is not too bad, but it's a lot more expensive, like I said, than your other kits, your DJM, your McGaughy's. All those other kits are a lot cheaper, but I mean, you get what you pay for. So if you're gonna run those kits, just expect the ride quality to be diminished a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I know a lot of you have those other kits. Let me know how it rides. Like I said, on my other truck, compared to the IHC ones are a lot better. It rides like factory. You can't even tell it was lowered. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys have any questions regarding this kit, make sure you guys comment on the section below, and tune in till next time.
I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my